Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to onboard employees to benefits in Gusto. Bringing your team onto benefits can be one of the most rewarding parts of using Gusto. It gives your employees access to healthcare, retirement, and more, all managed in one place. So let's walk through how to onboard them smoothly. Step 1. Log into Gusto and go to the Benefits tab. Now start by logging into your Gusto admin accounts. From the dashboard, you want to click on Benefits and then select Team Benefits. Now this is where you'll manage plans and enrollments. Step 2. Choose the benefit plan. Now you want to select the specific benefit plan that you want to enroll employees into. It could be medical, dental, or 401k. You'll see a list of employees who are eligible but not yet enrolled. Step 3, invite the employees to enroll. So you want to click on the employee name and then hit invite to enroll. Now Gusto will send them an email with step-by-step instructions to complete their enrollment on their own. Step 4, employee completes enrollment. Now the employee will log in, review the plan options, and choose their desired coverage. They will also be asked to enter personal information like dependents and contact information. Once done, they'll submit their selection for approval. Step 5, review and approve enrollments. Now, after the employee submits their enrollment, you're going to receive a notification. So just head back to the Benefits tab, find the employee's entry, and review the plan selection. Now, if everything looks good, go ahead and click Approve. Step 6, confirm payroll deductions. Now, Gusto will automatically update payrolls with the new deduction based on the employee's choices and, of course, your company's contributions. You can view these under People, Employee Name, and Compensation. Step 7, send a confirmation. Now, it's a nice touch to send a confirmation message to the employee, just to let them know that they successfully enrolled and their benefits will begin. And that's how you onboard an employee to benefits in Gusto. It's streamlined for both you and your team. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I'll see you guys in the next one.